The office definitely looks good and quite spacious than the earlier one, and commute also is little better than earlier office. And then we do have many meeting rooms here, so which has reduced so much of inconvenience. And yeah, even though all of us are here, it feels very less number of people are here. So yeah, it's good. It's nice ambience.
I'm pretty excited to be in this new office. Fantastic campus, a lot of collaboration space, open atmosphere. I'm really looking forward to coming over here and working with our team. Thank you.
Hey, hi everyone. I'm super excited to be part of this new workspace and lovely to see the entire team, all the HR folks here on the same floor, including the other BUs. And the most exciting part is this view. I just love it next to my cubicle. So, yeah, very thrilled to be here. Thank you.
Hi, so this is very excited, very new, and I'm very excited to be part of this whole team and very happy. Thank you.
Yeah, the new office is really good. I think it's really well spread out, and the amenities are really fine. And it gives a good positive vibe to work in a new office, and a lot of faces that we see from different departments as well. It's not siloed anymore, and then you can just look around, and then you feel really happy to come to this place to work. Yeah, hope it's the same with everyone who's coming to the office. Wishing the new management all the best.